Ever feel like you're spending more time cleaning than living? What if there were ways to simplify the process and give you back some of those precious hours? Well, buckle up, because we're about to journey through some mind-blowing cleaning hacks that will revolutionize your life. Starting off, we've got the microwave, a common household appliance that often becomes a war zone of food splatters. But worry no more. Fill a bowl with equal parts water and vinegar, add a squeeze of lemon for a fresh scent, then pop it in the microwave for 5 minutes. The steam will loosen up any hardened food, making it a breeze to wipe away. Now let's tackle that pesky oven. A mix of baking soda and vinegar creates a powerful cleaning solution. Spread it all over the oven, leave it overnight, and in the morning, you're left with an oven that looks almost brand new. Remember, the longer the solution sits, the easier it is to scrub off the grime. Ever noticed how your shower head gets blocked with mineral deposits over time? A simple solution is to fill a plastic bag with vinegar, secure it around the shower head with a rubber band, and leave it overnight. By morning, those deposits will have dissolved, and your shower head will be as good as new. Now, onto those stubborn carpet stains. They've met their match with a simple mix of vinegar and baking soda. Apply the paste to the stain, wait for it to dry, then vacuum it up. Voila, your carpet is now stain-free. Lastly, let's not forget about those dusty blinds. Wrap a pair of tongs in a microfiber cloth, secure it with rubber bands, and you've got yourself the perfect blind cleaner. Just slide the tongs along each blind and watch as the dust disappears. And there you have it. 5 simple yet effective cleaning hacks that can save you time and effort. So, just to recap: 1. Use a vinegar and water solution in your microwave to steam clean food splatters. 1. Apply a baking soda and vinegar paste to your oven overnight for easy cleaning. 1. Clear mineral deposits from your shower head with a vinegar soak. 1. Tackle carpet stains with the vinegar and baking soda paste. 1. Clean blinds with tongs wrapped in a microfiber cloth. Who knew cleaning could be so straightforward? With these hacks in your arsenal, you're well on your way to a cleaner, happier home. Until next time, happy cleaning!